Hello my friends, and welcome to my segment of Pouring from Coast to Coast. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour today on this good size canvas, a 20 by 20 inch deep canvas, and I'm using Liquitex Fluid Paints. If you've watched me for any length of time, you know I love these paints for Dutch pour because I don't like a bunch of cells in my Dutch pours. And I've found the results I get with these are very pleasing to my aesthetic. So, I'm using purples today in honor of my friend Britt, who loves purple. So I've got some brilliant purple, with white, some white. This is, what is this? I mixed this. Dioxazine purple and silver to come up with this lovely metallic. It's the only metallic in the bunch. Well, that's not quite true. And then, whoa, dioxazine purple. And then I mixed some of this graphite, iridescent graphite. I don't know that I want to add it though. If I do, it will be sparingly. And then my base coat is going to be light gray. Now I didn't mix up enough to cover this whole canvas, so I'm going to spread it out here, put my colors in this area, do kind of a chaos thing, and then I'm going to tie the negative space in with the colors here, I'm going to drizzle. That's my plan anyway. Let's see how it works. Here we go. All right, it's not as much, I was hoping to get more coverage, but here we go. I'm going to start with my darkest color. Move on to the mid-tone. Now I'm just going to do this. Oh no! I forgot to save some for the drizzle. Save some of that. I may have to mix some more. I may have to pause here and mix some more because I need to have pretty good coverage here and save the drizzle. It's a very, very simple mix. 2 parts Floetrol, 1/2 part paint. So you're not using much paint. Yeah, I'm going to have to mix some more. It would have been okay had I had more of the base coat, but that I cannot easily mix and match. So let me pause here and I'll be right back. Find a clean finger to turn the camera off. Okay, I mixed some more of everything, and then to save some time I went ahead and added to this area. I didn't fill in every speck. I think there's sufficient paint on the surface. And my questionable color, I added some silver to, and I put it down here. I'm going to blow it out and see what I like before I add it to the whole thing. So, here we go. Get my little hair dryer. Set on, I think high. I'll start low, but then I think it needs to be high, as I recall, to move this paint around. But I'll put on some music so I don't bother your ears. All right. So I got these tiny little cells, and I'm okay with that. I think that's from the silver. I didn't care for this color, the graphite, so put that aside. I didn't add it to the rest, but it's kind of pretty. Now let me add some drizzles. So I'm just going to do a circle. So I'm going to go over, right over my, am I? Maybe I'll add dots. Try to do a nice circle, circle-ish. Oh, that's more oval, but I can fudge it and with the other colors. The white looks really nice on the gray. Whoop, I scraped the canvas, didn't mean to do that. I'm about an inch away from the surface as I drizzle. I think I might go back with the darkest one, and finish it up with that. Okay. Last blast of drizzle. Yeah, I think it needs it for the contrast. Doesn't take much. A little paint goes a long way when you're doing this thing. Okay, I think I'm about done, my friends. It's purple. I don't need to turn it around, but this would be the bottom I see. So the majority of the paint is here, which weighs down the canvas and gets lighter as it goes toward the top. That's how I usually determine my orientation. Darker colors, more paint is the bottom. Okay, let's bring in. So I expect those drizzle forms will pretty much stay based on ones I've done previously. They're not going to spread out much. And the cells won't get any bigger, and I don't mind this size and shape. A lot of them there, but again, I think that was the silver. And I like that dark area there. So I tried to add some down here, you may have noticed, but I blew it the wrong way. I blew it this way. I should have gone that way to introduce more, but I can't mess anymore with it now. So there we go, my friends. I hope you liked that, and give it a try. Let me know how it goes. And now let's head up to Petaluma to Meta. Thanks for joining us, my friends. Bye-bye.